Jalandhar Cantt, a town within a city, holds a unique charm. This cantonment area, nestled within the larger city of Jalandhar, is a place where the past and present coexist in a harmonious blend. As you walk through its streets, you can almost hear the echoes of history whispering through the air, telling tales of a time long gone. The town's unique character is shaped by its rich history and the vibrant life that continues to thrive here. It's a place where history whispers through the ages, with every corner holding a story waiting to be discovered. The old historical buildings stand as proud reminders of the town's colonial past. Their architecture a testament to the craftsmanship of a bygone era. These structures, with their intricate designs and sturdy construction, have withstood the test of time, offering a glimpse into the town's storied past, and the rhythm of life beats to a different drum. The daily life in Jalandhar Cantt is a vibrant tapestry of cultures and traditions where the old and the new come together in a seamless blend. The bustling street markets with their colourful stalls and lively atmosphere are a testament to the town's enduring spirit. Here you can find a mix of traditional crafts and modern goods, reflecting the town's unique blend of heritage and progress. Nestled within the bustling heart of Punjab, it offers a tranquil escape from the urban chaos. The serene parks and peaceful streets provide a welcome respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. These green spaces are not just places of relaxation, but also serve as a reminder of the town's commitment to preserving its natural beauty amidst the rapid urbanization. The cantonment, established during the British Raj, still retains its old-world charm. The colonial-era buildings, with their grand facades and elegant designs, stand as silent witnesses to a time when the British influence was at its peak. These historical landmarks are not just relics of the past, but also serve as a bridge connecting the town's rich history with its present-day identity. Wide, tree-lined avenues and colonial-era buildings stand as silent witnesses to a bygone era. These avenues, with their lush greenery and stately trees, provide a picturesque setting that is both calming and inspiring. The colonial architecture, surrounded by nature, creates a unique ambience that transports you back in time, allowing you to experience the town's rich heritage in a tangible way. Yet modernity has also found its place here, blending seamlessly with the past. The contemporary structures, with their sleek designs and modern amenities, stand in stark contrast to the colonial-era buildings, yet they complement each other perfectly. This blend of old and new is what makes Jalandhar Cantt truly unique, offering a glimpse into the town's ability to embrace change while staying true to its roots. The town's evolution is a testament to its resilience and adaptability, ensuring that it remains a vibrant and thriving community for generations to come. Green spaces are the lifeblood of any town, providing not just aesthetic beauty but also essential ecological functions. They act as the lungs of the city, filtering pollutants and offering a breath of fresh air to its residents. In the bustling town of Jalandhar Cantt, these green spaces are more than just patches of greenery. They are vital sanctuaries that offer a respite from the urban hustle and bustle. Jalandhar Cantt is blessed with many such green spaces, each contributing to the town's charm and livability. These parks and gardens are meticulously maintained, providing a serene environment for the community. They are the perfect places for morning jogs, evening strolls, or simply sitting on a bench and soaking in the natural beauty. Among the numerous parks, Tulsi Park stands out as a verdant oasis. Located in the heart of Jalandhar Cantt, it is a symbol of the town's commitment to preserving nature. The entrance to Tulsi Park is inviting, with a signboard that welcomes visitors to explore its lush landscapes. This sprawling park is a sanctuary for nature lovers and fitness enthusiasts alike. Every morning, joggers and walkers can be seen making their rounds, enjoying the fresh air and the scenic beauty. The park's well-maintained paths are perfect for a brisk walk or a leisurely jog, making it a popular spot for those looking to stay fit. Lush lawns invite picnics and leisurely strolls. Families often gather here for a day out, spreading their picnic blankets on the soft grass and enjoying a meal amidst nature. The park's open spaces are perfect for children to run around and play, while adults can relax and unwind. The air hums with the gentle buzz of insects and the laughter of children playing. The park is home to a variety of flora and fauna, making it a haven for nature enthusiasts. Butterflies flit from flower to flower, and the sound of birds chirping adds to the park's tranquil ambience. Ancient trees provide shade from the summer sun, their branches whispering tales of time gone by. These majestic trees are a testament to the park's rich history and its role in the community. They offer a cool respite on hot days, and their sprawling canopies create a peaceful, shaded retreat. Tulsi Park is not just a green space, it's the heart and soul of Jalandhar Cantt. It serves as a community hub where people of all ages come together to enjoy the beauty of nature. Whether it's a morning yoga session, an evening walk, or a weekend picnic, Tulsi Park is the go-to destination for residents looking to connect with nature and each other. The park's vibrant atmosphere and natural beauty make it a cherished part of the town, embodying the spirit of Jalandhar Cantt. Jalandhar Cantt experiences the full spectrum of North India's climate. Each season brings its own unique charm and challenges, painting the landscape with a different palette of colors and moods. Summers are hot, with temperatures soaring high. The sun blazes down from a cloudless sky, making the days long and sweltering. People seek shade and cool drinks to beat the heat, and the streets are often quieter during the peak afternoon hours. The sun beats down relentlessly, but the trees in Tulsi Park and other green spaces offer respite. These oases of greenery become popular spots for families and friends to gather, seeking the cool shade and the gentle rustle of leaves in the breeze. The monsoon season brings welcome relief from the heat. The skies darken with heavy clouds, and the first drops of rain are met with joy and relief. The parched earth drinks deeply, and the air is filled with the fresh, earthy scent of rain. The air is heavy with moisture, and the earth rejoices in the life-giving rain. Plants and trees burst into vibrant green, and the landscape is transformed into a lush, verdant paradise. Puddles form on the ground, and children delight in splashing through them. Winters are mild and pleasant, perfect for enjoying a cup of hot tea in the warm embrace of the sun. The chill in the air is just enough to make the warmth of the sun feel like a gentle hug. Families and friends gather outdoors, enjoying picnics and leisurely walks in the parks. Spring is a time of renewal and rebirth. Flowers bloom in a riot of colors, and the air is filled with the sweet scent of blossoms. Bees buzz busily from flower to flower, and the whole world seems to come alive with new energy and promise. Autumn brings a different kind of beauty, with leaves turning shades of red, orange, and gold. The air is crisp and cool, and the ground is carpeted with fallen leaves. It's a time for reflection and preparation for the colder months ahead. Each season in Jalandhar Cantt has its own story to tell, its own beauty to share. From the scorching heat of summer to the gentle chill of winter, from the life-giving rains of the monsoon to the vibrant blooms of spring and the golden hues of autumn, the cycle of seasons is a testament to the ever-changing, ever-renewing beauty of nature. The Beas River, a lifeline of Punjab, flows gracefully near Jalandhar Cantt. Its shimmering waters add to the region's natural beauty. The riverbank is a perfect spot for quiet contemplation or a leisurely walk. The Beas is not just a scenic delight, it's the backbone of agriculture in the region. Its waters nourish the fertile fields, ensuring a bountiful harvest. Venture beyond the cantonment's borders and you'll find yourself amidst the rural charm of Punjab. Expansive fields, painted in shades of emerald green and golden yellow, stretch as far as the eye can see. Small villages dot the landscape, each with its own unique character and traditions. Here, life moves at a slower pace, governed by the rhythms of nature and the seasons. Jalandhar Cantt is a paradise for birdwatchers. The numerous trees and green spaces provide a haven for a variety of avian species. Early mornings are alive with their cheerful melodies. Keep your eyes peeled and you might spot a flash of vibrant color as a kingfisher dives for its prey or a majestic eagle soars overhead. During the migratory season, the skies come alive with flocks of birds making their way to warmer climes. History buffs will find much to explore in and around Jalandhar Cantt. The cantonment itself is a living museum, with its colonial-era buildings and remnants of the past. A short drive away lies the Shahid-e-Azam Sardar Bhagat Singh Memorial, a poignant tribute to the legendary freedom fighter. Nature trails wind their way through the surrounding countryside, offering opportunities for invigorating hikes and glimpses of local flora and fauna. What sets Jalandhar Cantt apart from the urban sprawl of Jalandhar is its peaceful ambience. Life here is unhurried, and the air is filled with a sense of tranquility. The gentle rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, and the distant laughter of children create a symphony of nature that soothes the soul. Jalandhar Cantt is more than just a town, it's an experience. It's a place to reconnect with nature, delve into history, and savor the simple joys of life. Whether you're seeking a quiet retreat, a glimpse of traditional Punjab, or simply a break from the city's hustle and bustle, Jalandhar Cantt welcomes you with open arms.